So hi everyone, welcome back to daily job sharing series. What does we do? We create video, we share a couple of job links. So today we have a couple of job links. Before that, just this is a disclaimer, which means whatever job links I'm going to share with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be a part of any scam. Right now, let's get started. So guys, this is the first opening that we have, which is for the fresh graduate in Riyadh. They want freshers 0 to 1 years of experience. They want a cybersecurity person, right? If you have degree in bachelor's in IT, computer science, security field, you can apply. If you have CompTIA or cybersecurity related courses, you have knowledge about all those things, you can apply for this position. English and Arabic should be uh, with you, like you should know how to speak in all those languages, and you'll get a very good opportunity. This is a mail ID on which you can send a resume, right? Next thing is SOC Analyst, immediate joining. Work mode is work from home. Minimum 6 month hands-on experience, up to 3 years of experience required. Minimum junior SOC position open. Key requirement is 6 month hands-on experience SOC. If you have 3 years of experience, then that's great. But minimum 6 month of SOC experience is required, right? This is what you need to mention in your resume, right? Here you can see, and this is mail ID on which you can send your resume, right? Now next opening is basically again in Riyadh, guys. There's a lot of hiring in Riyadh, and Flint International is the company name. The other positions they have, if you have associate specialist, freshers, associate specialist 2 years, S3 manager 6 years, incident responder 6 years, incident responder specialist 2 years, and cybersecurity data analyst 2 years, right? So you can find out your CV, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Next opening is basically in India, National Financial India, right? This is a company name, Fidelity National Financial. They want a cybersecurity professional with hands-on experience in SAST, manual code review, blood hood tool, right, which is active directly attack path analysis tool. If you have knowledge, you can join. This is the mail ID where you can send your resume. Now, next opening is basically in application security consultant, and they want immediate join. Like if you have knowledge, you will get hired very soon, right? Bangalore and Mumbai is the location. Full-time opening is there. Department cybersecurity. It's immediate joining. 2 to 5 years experience is required, and this is what the key responsibility you will be having, right? This is a required certificate, and right, if you want to apply, you can apply rs mind rsm india dot abhishek dot rsm india dot in is the mail, and this is what you need to write into the subject line, right? Now the next opening that we have is someone is looking for intern in SOC, right? 6 month internship. Those who can work from home, and this is mail ID self at rate rs rnstechnology.com, right? And this is basically if you are in already in Dubai, then only apply, right? So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn about what is web application pen testing and how does it work, you can check out this URL, right? Because it's starting in next 15 days, and this is for SOC Analyst, right? So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.